Today on Chloe's Inbox. Hello, Chloe. Can you please help me to decide on what I'm going to do? My husband and I are married for 7 years and we have 2 kids, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. My husband works abroad since 2019. I saw an intimate picture of him with a girl on Facebook. The girl was the one who posted the photo. I asked him about it and he confessed. Totoo daw po na gusto na niya kaming iwan. Sabi niya he's alone at wala daw siyang iba. Sa galit ko po, minura ko po siya ng minura pati yung nag-post ng photo. Now, ayoko na pong makipag-communicate sa kanya kahit tumatawag siya at nagme-message. Gusto ko po siyang matuto sa ginawa niya. He felt sorry na, ewan po. Kaya please help me. May sustento pa po ang mga anak ko pero if hindi po siya magbibigay ng sustento, pwede ko po kaya siyang kasuhan? Thanks and I hope you can tell me what to do. Lady in Red. Lady in Red, medyo na-confused ako. He confessed about what? That it was him dun sa picture? And he said na gusto niya na kayong iwan but now he is coming back. Hindi kaya nakapag-isip-isip na to? You know, I understand that you were hurt, but if your husband is asking for a chance, then maybe you can at least talk to him and, find out what it is that he really wants. Baka kasi galit ka lang. And I totally get it. Kahit siguro sino, kahit siguro ako. Baka kung may ipon ako, puntan ko yun abroad. Sasampalin ko lang. Maybe a second chance or maybe he wants to be there for the kids and he has no intentions of, not being a father anymore. Baka yun yung gusto niya. So, kailangan malaman mo rin. Alam mo, dear, maraming nare-resolve sa simpleng pag-uusap at pagtatanong. So, since he is your husband, I suggest that you try to find out what he wants. Kasi, nagko-communicate naman siya sa inyo. Huwag namang kaso agad dahil hindi mo pa naman talaga alam anong gusto niyang mangyari dahil hindi mo na nga kinakausap. 'Di ba? I understand you're hurting, pero you really have to talk to him And, listen to what he has to say. Kahit siguro masasaktan ka dahil syempre, sasabihin yan, baka kasalanan mo, malungkot sa abroad or whatever, the fact remains na nagloko pa rin siya. So set things straight. Kung gusto mo na makipaghiwalay sa kanya at gusto niya na kayong iwanan, okay, fine. Kung okay lang naman yun sa inyo. But you have to be very clear na ang sustento sa mga bata, dapat ibigay niya. Okay? Dapat naman din, yung sustento na ibibigay niya, tama naman sa mga bata. Alam mo yun, hati kasi yun Ikaw din, total hiwalay na kayo. You also have to start working. Para kung sakaling biglang, alam mo na, hindi na yan magbigay ng sustento, naka-ready ka na. Kaya mahirap maging, alam mo yun, maging dependent ka lang sa asawa mo. As a wife, well, dapat naman, if as a wife you decide to stay home and take care of the children, dapat the husband should be ready to support that decision. Malaki matitipid nyo, 'di ba? Pag ang nanay yung nag-aalaga ng mga bata, dahil unang-una na dyan, mas maaalagaan yan, mas mababantayan yan. Ngayon, kung may trabaho ang nanay, kailangan supportive din ang husband sa decision na yun. Kasi para din naman yun sa pamilya nyo. And sa panahon ngayon, mahirap ang isa lang ang nagtatrabaho. But then iba naman yung sa'yo, you have to be ready. Just in case na ayaw niya na talaga makipagbalikan and ginusto niya na nga kayong iwan, kailangan harapin niya yung obligasyon niya sa mga anak ninyo. Again, maraming mare-resolve kung haharapin ang problema at pag-uusapan. Thank you so much for sending me your letter.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.